Hello everyone. To configure automatic Excel reports using InfoView Scheduler, select the Scheduler tile in this homepage. To create a scheduler, click on the plus icon on the side menu. In Schedule Details, enter the name of the scheduler that you want to create. Schedule type, select Office app. To schedule an InfoView as an Excel report, a report template needs to be created. To create a report template, open a blank Excel sheet. Rename the first sheet as Data. Add a second sheet and rename it as Report. Add a third sheet and rename it as Bindings. Now, in the InfoView module, select the desired InfoView and click on Export Data to Excel. Open the downloaded Excel sheet and copy the contents of the sheet and paste it in the datasheet of the reports template. User can create their own custom reports based on the values from the datasheet. The report sheet can be fully customized according to the user, like adding headings or adding your own set of calculations. To reference values from the datasheet, enter the formula. As you can see here, the value has been mapped from the datasheet. User can also add their own custom calculations in the reports sheet. In the binding sheet, enter data in the first cell, and over here, enter the cell from where the info view is starting in the datasheet. As you can see over here, the info view is starting from A1 cell in the datasheet. Enter A1 here. In the third cell, enter the name of the info view. If you don't want to show the bindings, the Excel file attached to the email, type in no in the fourth cell and save the report template. Now, in the InfoView scheduler, upload the report template that you have created. Select the file and upload the report template. As you can see over here, the report template has been uploaded. Select the schedule time and enable ease recurring option if you want to periodically schedule the report. And enable send as email and select the users to whom you want to schedule the report by mail. Here you can write the body of the email and save the scheduler. To test if the configured scheduler is working or not, click on the execute option. The report will be attached in the mail and sent to the respective users. As you can see over here, the report has been attached in the email. User can also check if the report is working or not by clicking on Execute without email option. User can also view the list of executed reports by clicking on the Download tab and can download the required report.